Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change age rating on Disney+. First, you have to open the Disney Plus app. Launch the app on your device, whether it's your phone, tablet, computer, or smart TV. Then tap your profile icon. Click your profile picture located in the bottom right or top right corner, depending on your device. Select Edit Profiles from the menu options. Then pick a profile you'd like to adjust. Adjust the content rating under Parental Controls, then tap Content Rating. Verify your account. Enter your Disney Plus password to confirm your identity. Choose the age rating. Select the appropriate age restriction for that profile. Options include 0+, 6+, 9+, 12+, 14+, 16+, and 18+. And finally, save your changes. Hit Save to lock in the new content restrictions. Extra tips: set a profile pin to stop others, especially kids, from changing settings or accessing mature content. Create a kid's profile for younger viewers. This automatically applies strict age limits and blocks access to profile editing. Important note: this process uses Disney Plus official parental controls and fully complies with platform rules and legal standards. And that would be all for today's guide. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.